All right, let's go. Let's go. What have we learned, guys? We learned about strings with numbers and arrays and methods. So numbers, we just spent the whole hour on numbers. Let's do strings. Okay? So remember singers? I'm gonna have Adele. Give me another person. Taylor Swift. Anything else? Justin Bieber, right? Okay, 3 people. You already know. What do you know? You can print them. When you say put, it will print 1 per line. How do you print them all in 1 line? Huh? Join? What? Join. Yeah. Or you can do this. You can print them like this. Okay. Sometimes you see this last line, so I'm just gonna say finish, right? Done, alright? So you always see the done thing, right? Forget about it, yeah? So you see it prints the whole P. When you do that on the array, it shows you the structure of the array. So it's a bit convenient, right? Okay? Yeah. P is like P. When you use P on something, it converts that into something that show the data structure. Yeah. So for example, if you put hello, right, it will show hello. But if you P hello, then you see the hello thing here. So it's cool. So P gives you more, right? Okay? Do you know the word inspect? Inspect? Check something? Inspect? This is the word inspect. So P just means you inspect that. So it's like that. So you check that function, but you don't have to worry about this method, okay? Just inspect. This is inspect. To look at something closely. Yeah? So when you do P something, it is inspecting that. Okay? Alright. Okay, so we know we have singers. That's cool. I can P singers. Alright. That's cool. How do I, let's look at the billboard. Okay? Top 1, 2, 3. This is top singers. How do I print task 1? Print singers, print the top chart. Who can do that for me? We all know it already. Singers.each with index do singer put. You need index, right? Index here, and then like this. What else? This will print from 0, right? So we have to do 1. Okay, great. We are printing top chart. Alright? So let's say this is 2017. Okay? Beautiful. That's top chart. Okay? So our next task, print chart from bottom. How can we do that? Huh? Alright, let's do that, yeah? Singers dot, you want to reverse? Okay. Dot each with index. Phương, tell me what's next. Do what? S index, and then what do you print? Still index plus 1 or what? Okay, so and then I put n. So here, top chart 2000, top chart from bottom. Okay, so maybe I say 2000. also year 2017. Okay, everyone, look at that. Now, I want you to do one thing for me. Can you change so that this will display 3 Justin Bieber, 2 Taylor Swift, and 1 Adele? This is wrong. 1, 2, 3, that's not good. I want to see 3 Justin Bieber. I want to see this. Let me copy and show you. I want to see, okay, 3, 2, 1. Who can do this? I want to see this. So this is not good. Huh? How? Instead of 1, we want 3, so
Minus.
Huh?
Plus 1.
Say again?
And multiply plus minus 1. Divide 1. Nhưng cho trừ 1.
Multiply by minus 1?
Yes.
So you say index multiply by minus 1? Then it will be minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. No? This will be 0, 1, 2. Alright, so it's easy just like this. No? If we run it, 3, 2, 1. That's cool? Does it work? Does it work? Hey, Phương and Hồng, can you guys say something? Does it work? You can say no or yes, alright. Phương, does it work? Huh? What? Okay, yes?
If we don't know how many elements in array,
Uh-huh.
how can we put the number before?
Oh, you saying if today I have Backstreet Boys come back? Oh no! Backstreet Boy comes back and everything goes wrong. What happens now?
Array name.
What? Array size. Oh, so you have singers.size? Okay, so let's say this is count, then you say count minus index. Alright, Backstreet Boy is back to the top of the bottom. Alright, so that's cool. We write some useful function. Let's define a method for them. So I say top chart. Okay, so maybe this time I say print. Okay, print top chart. When you make it a method, you space 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 space. Yeah, is it okay? Print top chart, and then here I say print bottom up. Okay. Right, so maybe I say print top down. Is it okay? And I say print bottom up. And what do I need to do? I still need to do space space, right? So you can use your mouse like that. Press tab, right? Okay, you can go down here and press tab. So tab. All right. So now if I run, do I see anything? Uh-oh. I only see this line. Not good. So what do? I need to call the method. I say print bottom up. Uh-oh. Why? Singers? Whoops. Now it's bad. Now it's bad because it's inside this block. and you guys will have to learn something else. So so we'll learn. Right now here it doesn't know the string singers. It's outside this method, right? So maybe we call this 2017 singers, okay? And then down here, what do? We pass in singers. Shake your head. Someone need to shake your head because come on, this is something new, no? Please, Phương, can you shake your head? Does it make sense? Chị Hồng, can you shake your head? Please, can you shake your head so I can explain? So you don't want to shake your head, right? 2017 singers. Alright, this is from somewhere, from 2017. But line 7, I define this print top down. I don't care about 2017, right? I just take the list of singers and I print them. So now you can call, hey, top chart 2017, print top down, 2017 singers. That is programming, right? Now it's programming. 5 minutes ago it was typing. Right? Now it's programming because now I can print. Look, I print top down and I can print bottom up. I do the same thing, right? Singers, alright? And then now I print who? 2017 singers, okay? Alright, let's do this. Uh-oh. What happens? Someone help. Help! Justin Bieber. I think something is wrong with Justin Bieber.
I think you cut off the number, right?
Huh? I'm just joking. In here, let's see, line 1, 2000. Oh, you cannot start with the number, so we'll do singers 2017. Whoops. Okay, so we have to change this. Even better, make us understand it even better, right? Let's do it. Beautiful. So let's talk about 2016. Year 2016. What happened? Back then, Adele wasn't born yet. Right? No, I mean she was born. She's old, but she took a vacation, so there's no Adele. So we had Taylor Swift as number 1. Right? And then back then Sơn Tùng MP was still popular. Now he's just more popular. And who else? Maybe My Tâm did not retire yet. So then we can just say print top down singers 2017, right? But we have to also say, hey, year 2017, 16. And then if you want to add some space, you can do that. 2 lines. Print. Good? Good? So now how do I print 3 My Tâm, 2 Sơn Tùng MP, and 1 Taylor Swift? How do I print from bottom up? Print bottom up. What? Singers. This. What will happen? No. 3 My Tâm. Because it's bottom up, remember? Top down. Bottom up. Yeah? So why do I call this programming, not typing? Because you reuse it, right? Remember when we did total method and then we say total from 1 to 10, total from blah blah blah, right? Okay. Chị Hồng, are we good to move on? Continue or slow down? Continue, because there will be a video, right? So now this. Then someone give us top 100. Oh my God. right? Maybe I just do top 10. So then here, then I need to enter a lot of artists. Okay, so maybe let me cheat. I'm just copying some artist somewhere. I'm gonna do top 10 of this year, okay? If you don't know any of this, you should go home and listen to more music. Okay? So, this is Adele. Alright. This is Justin Bieber. This is Drake. This is Beyonce. 20 Pilots. 21 Pilots. Oh my god, I don't know 21 Pilots. I know everyone else. Okay. Is it okay? Space. Oh, you have to make them string. 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 Are we good? That's a lot of work, right? Is it good enough? No. You still need to do comma. Yeah? Okay. So now this is tricky. Let's say print top down. So this is I'm gonna put this is Billboard, right? 2017. It's true. You can check. Okay, I did not lie. Top 10. Beautiful, right? But I only want top 3. How do I do it? Who knows how to print only top 3? Let's just do English, right? Let's write in English. Print top down from top 10 singers, but only take 3. Is it good? Yeah? So let's do that in English, but in shorter form. Print top down from top 10, take 3. Same, right? Computer is just shorter. So we say print top down, top 10, take 3. Yeah? So let's convert that into real code. Print top down, top 10, dot take 3. Do you think it works? Do you think it will work? That's a bit crazy though, right? Uh-oh, it doesn't work. No. What's wrong? Oh, it works, guys. It works. Because I'm just here, take 3. Remember? There. Did you see that?
Yes.
So you see take 3? That's kind of cool. What about you want to print, but you don't like the last 4 people? Print top down from top 10, but drop 5. But you drop 5 people. Yeah. Then you just do drop 5. And then you see the drop 5 here, and of course, let me print it out. Drop 5. So what did we learn? Nothing crazy. We just learned that. What did we learn? You can call dot take n for an array. Yeah? And you can call dot drop n for an array. Remember last time we have a string? This is my hello string. I can chop. And I can chop again. And chop. I don't know if I can chop 3. I don't know. So no, only chop 1, right? But array, if I do this, wrong. Array, if I do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, instead of chop, you drop. But now you have to put a number. You can drop 1, you drop 1 again. It's drop at the beginning. Oh, my bad.
So one of them is dropping from front and dropping from the back.
That's bad. Okay, if I take 2, then it should be 1, 2, right? Okay, I don't know why it dropped. It just dropped the one at the front. Sorry, so it doesn't drop at the back. Okay, sorry about that. I thought it dropped the back. I think. Do you remember how to drop at the back? So let's say A is 1, 2, 3. You pop 1. So that's pop. Okay. So we'll learn a few cool things with array now. We know if an array is from 1 to 10. Okay, we can reverse, right? But A is still the same. You can say B is A dot reverse. Then you have A, you have B. You can say to A, now you can say, I only want the first 5 elements. Then you take first 5. This is useful, right? There's one more thing you can play with. This is just fun methods you can play with. Shuffle. You know a card? You know the card game? When you shuffle a card? Right? And you can shuffle. Shuffle. So then you can say my C is a shuffle. Right? Then it's nice. So now you can write some number guessing game. Okay? I don't know. There's also one more thing called sample. You take, sample, right? I have 10 things here. Take a sample. You pick one, right? So when I say A dot sample, what happens? What is A? A dot sample. What do you get? 9. Okay, great. A dot sample is 9. Uh-oh. So if you like to get a random number from a list, you know what to do. So you can play a number guessing game. You can write, I will give you that homework. Write a number, right? And then you guess, okay? Great, so what did we have fun with array? We have sample, we have shuffle, we can reverse a string. Okay? Do you remember if I have C here, if I sort C, then what happened? Yeah, it becomes A. Right? So you can take one array to another. Alright, let's try string. Let's try string before we can have fun with the singers again. So I have greeting, it's a string, welcome. Okay? What is that? It's easy. No? Just one. What do you know about greeting? What method do you know? You can do length. You can do chop. That's not English anymore. Hey, lucky, we still have greeting. What else can we do?
Okay.
What else can we do? This is really fun. Yeah? Right? Do you know this word? If you reverse this word, what do you get? Evil. You know what evil means? Evil means bad. So, and that means
Dash?
yeah.
No!
What is that?
Dab is like to take a little bit of something.
Yeah, you press something, no? So that, but it's bad. And so you have fun with that. So let me give you an assignment right now. Do it right now. Write on your computer. I have top artist. I give you this. How do I give you guys this? Where can I send to your computer? Okay, let's do it together on my computer. It's faster. All right. Here's the task. Print first. This is before. Okay. Put before. All right. Before is this singer list. Top 10. All right. Look at this before. This is my before. Okay. After. I want you after to print top Print artist from 7 to 10, the last 3, okay? And let's make fun of them. So print artist, singers. So print the names of the last 3 singers with the names spelled backwards. Okay? Can you do that? So here you will have the Weeknd. Basically, I want you to print these 2 guys. I want you to print this, but backwards. So I want you to print DNKEEWEHT. Right? And then I will still print 7, 8, 9 or something, maybe. Let's print their names backwards. You wanna try? Someone come to my computer. Here, just type here. Alright. Quick, try. Just type something. Let's not be afraid of being wrong here, right? So first you can type here. No. Over there. Just type, look at the screen over there.
Look. Where?
It's you can type here. Here. Okay. So if you
I just see.
yeah, you just have to look at the screen up there. So right now, if you put top 10, right now after it's only this. How do you? Let's do one thing at a time. How do you print the last 3? Dot.
The last 3.
Not last 3.
Rock street.
You don't need dot. You just need remember. Yes. Remember the minus. Minus 3.
Index
Minus 3. No, just do minus 3. Just minus. There's no need index. So
What is?
this is minus 1. This is minus 2.
Yes.
This is minus 3. So do right now minus 3. Minus 3. This is good, right? That was good. So now command enter. Don't worry, right? So command enter, right? All right. So you see 21 pilots, right? Now you want more than that. Dot. Yes. See? Now enter. Sorry, command enter. Okay. Right? But we want to reverse it. Right? So, yes. Oh, you want to reverse. Okay, so what happened if you reverse now? It just print Ariane Grande first. You don't want to reverse that string and that array. So what do you do?
To string.
You have an array. Yes.
To index. To.
If you do each, then you want to use a do n, right? Great. And now you don't need to do puts anymore, so delete puts. It's good. Just look up there. Okay, so inside here. Nice. So you put here, let's say, a singer. If you put each person like this now, okay, then do, see? Good. Everyone knows the syntax. Enter. Alright, so you see 21 pilots, Rihanna, Ariane. Eh? That's not good. I thought it's the Weeknd. Eh? Where is
No.
right? Good. Yes.
But there is no that is string or array to array.
Yes, singer is a string, right? So if you reverse, you don't need to convert this reverse. Nice. Who are they? Who are these guys?
21.
Who are they? Yeah, but because we make fun of them. Because the top 5 is great. So let's say this billboard, right? I only print the top. Because that's what so here is, let's make fun of them, right? So basically, if I do top 10 and I print everyone, you all know how to do this already. With index, singer, index, and then what? Index plus 1, right? Okay, let's keep this guy here. Okay, so I want to make fun of anyone is. Why is my top 10 only 7? Because I dropped. No, let's not drop them. That's so ridiculous. Take 3. What? Only 7 people? My 10 people is only.
Commented it out.
Oh, I commented them out. No wonder. Oh my god, so sad. Okay, take and drop are fine. They don't change my top 10. Look at these top 10. What I ask you to do is that if index greater than 5, okay, maybe if this person is between 0 and 4, so then I print them out like that. Okay? If not, I will make fun of them. I will reverse. So these guys are bad, right? Yeah? Any question about this one? Any question? Now, you see this logic. If, can we do something cleaner? Huh? If I have a method. If I have a method, I can do this. I do the same thing here. Let's print it again. Let's say, doing it again, right? But this time, I will just print. Okay, I keep this like that. And then I say down here, I say print name on the singer. If I do this, then what do I need? You need to know what print name is, right? If I run this now, it will say print name. So I have to do print name. Name is name of our singer, right? So this is just a variable, singer name. So how do I do this in here?
If
Okay,
oh, you want an index now.
then I need an index, right? I want to print in here. So let's say if I always return singer name, then I will print the list the same as before. If I always want to reverse, then I get this always reverse, right? So you can bring in the if here. If index less than 5, then you return singer. If not, then you reverse. No. Someone need to shake your head. Can you please shake your head, Phương? This is not good. Index, where is index? I need index, right? So I put index in here, okay? I put second. Index. Right? Right? Maybe you can even call it ranking after you, right? You can call it ranking here. Alright. Who knows the word ranking? It's good, right? But now I need to pass index in here. Is that okay? Then I have this, the top 5 and the bottom 5, and of course here I need to do something, right? Basically we make fun of these guys. But you see, it's a little simpler inside the each do, and now you can test. Now you can write print name for anyone, right? So let's say print name Quý. If your ranking is 12, where are you? Okay, I need to put, right? It'll be like this, right? Yeah, my done is here. So what did we see? We have some fun with string. We have some fun with array. You can reverse an array. You can reverse a string inside. What else can we do with string? When you reverse like this, okay, I'll show you one last thing before we go off. If you reverse, it doesn't look like a name, right? How can we make it look like name? Name should be like this. No? Sorry, it means yuck. How can we make it like this? Oh, you can do this. Ruby string, and you can read more, okay? But I'm showing you some cool secret here. Alright, so there is down here. Let's look at the string over here, okay? If I do something like this, okay? If I do something like this, hey, that's cool. So maybe all the you know, not very important people, we can bring them down like this, huh? Right? Rihanna. Of course, you can do downcase reverse, or you can do reverse dot downcase. It works. Still a string, right? But we want this one to be bigger. What happens if there is something else called? If you have this hello thing, what have you learned? You learned downcase, it stays the same. Upcase, and then here you can do capitalize. Wow, we just learned some English here, right? It's some English word. So here you can capitalize. Hey, that's cool. That looks like real name. Anna here. Eknak Anaira. The Q8. Yoplok, right? So what if you take this and then you say capitalize? So you don't need to downcase anymore. So I can just remove it. I can just do that. Right? Up there, my single name, I just capitalize. Hey, capitalize. So it looks better. So you can play with string and array. So when you learn anything, it's just Ruby string. And then you can go in here and read if you like. In your homework, I may ask some extra reading like this. And you can do the same thing, Ruby array, when you want to learn the array stuff. Okay, so we play with string and array. Any question about strings? How do you find the number of characters in string, Quý? Okay, string.count. So string.count. Not count. So maybe length. Okay. How do you remove the last character, Chị Hồng? Chop? Yeah. How do you remove the last member of a number? I think just drop to at the front, right? So the last one you pop, right? Phương? Remove the last one. You can pop one. But pop returns that number, huh? So you I don't know.
You got -1.
If you pop, how do you drop the last one? I don't know. There must be some method in there. Huh? Yes, you can do the minus thing. You can say, take this from, okay, it looks funny, right? From the first element to the second last element. That looks a bit funny. No? Alright, how do you remove only the new line? Chom. Ta-da-da, this is new line, then you can chom. Right? But if you chomp again, it will not affect your string. Okay? How do you shuffle an array? Oh, that's too easy. Damn it. English. How do you get a random number? Dot sample. Huh? Okay? And there is operator. What is this value? True? Okay. There's one more thing before we leave, which is there is 1, that's a number, that's a string. This is a boolean, yeah. So this is a boolean. What else did we learn? There is nil. Nil is, what is nil? It's like nothing, huh? Okay? So what is not nil? Not nil. Not nil is true. Oh my god, that's weird, right? Nil is like hungry. What is not hungry? Okay, full. Okay, 1. What is not 1? Are you sure? Very good. Everyone is false. So when you use not, what do we notice? Only get true or false. If you use not on this one, it's easy, right? But if you use not on nil, you get true. If you use not on anything else, let's say not 1 is false. Not 1 like this is false. Not empty string is false.
Is the empty string nil?
No. Is empty string nil? It's false. So we just learned something. It's called crazy. Okay. It's crazy because what if we learn only Boolean is true and false. Okay? True, false. Okay. Now we learned something. I don't know what it's called Boolean, but if you use if statement, okay? Something here, not just Boolean. You can do if 1. Hey. Else. Ha. What do you think this return? It will be hey. So we learned something called truthy and falsy. Don't worry, exercise will make it very clear. Anything that is false is false. So it's called falsy. Anything is nil is also false. Okay? Okay, what is truthy? Anything that is not falsy. Okay? So anything that is not false or nil. Okay? So you will learn this when if you have something called if A, you don't see anything else, you don't see this equal sign, you see if A, and then value of A is, okay, A, else, hey man, A is falsy, okay? So if I write this in a function, let's call it function check A, okay? I pass in this A, I will check A, okay? Run this. Let's check A. Line 121, what happens there? Uh-oh, where is line 21? Here, okay. Run it. Oh, wrong here too. Alright. Where else? Alright, where's my falsy then? Too many, sorry. Alright, check A. Okay, what do you think check A of true is? It will say value of A is true, right? If I say false, then what happens? Will you see line 134 or line 136? If false, so 136, right? So let's try again. Check A. True. Line 134. So I will just say line 134 here, right? And here line 136. I need you to know this so I can give you homework. Check true, line 134. Check false, line 136. Okay. Check false nil. Chị Hồng, is it line 136 or line 134? Phương, cái gì? 6. Okay, check nil. It will go in here and then if you will see it will be nil here, it will be nil here, right? And then if nil, that's not good, it will go here. Okay? So I press enter here. Hey! A is falsy. So why do we call it falsy? Maybe you can call it fake. Alright? Nil and true is fake. Everything else is something. Everything else is something. Nil and true is fake. So this is something that only Ruby does. So it's a bit strange. If you use Python, you don't have this problem. Why do we do this? Because you can now write the most fun function. Hello world. Say hi to name. Say greeting. Say hi to name. And then you can say nil. I will explain this one later, but you will learn this next class. Then you can say if name exists, right? If there's name, then you say hello name. If not, hi stranger. Something like that. Because you don't pass in name. I will say hi for you. Who can help? 132. Oh, this is not Neil here. Are you ready? Say hi. Oops, not there. Say hi over here. Hello, stranger. But then you just say hi, Phương. Then, hello, Phương. This is called the default value. We now learn to write a method. If you don't give any value, then it's nil. Then I can say hello, stranger. If you don't give anything. If you don't give anything, that's nil, right? Okay, so go home and just you only need, there's some examples here. I'll send a note, some notes for today. Today's a lot of string array methods. But tomorrow start doing exercise 1, 2, 3. Just don't start on the last day. But you will be able to write more complicated programs. This is very important. You now can write something that's, say hi with argument or with no argument. Okay? Okay. I'll send you guys notes.